Tired of suppliers constantly failing and causing delays? The number one strategy I've used in aerospace and manufacturing is supplier development. Instead of blaming suppliers, I partner with them, training, auditing, and setting clear expectations. This turns chaos into control, costs drop, quality improves, and suppliers actually become part of your competitive advantage. If you want the step-by-step system, check out the leading disruption website, From Supplier Chaos to Control.